Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, inside the traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down. The sky is falling down.
I had to change my clothes. I had too much cleavage showing. I need more church clothes that don't show cleavage. We just got home from church and we're about to have a little cookout. It's very cold. It's windy, rainy, wet, but we're just gonna leave the garage door open and do it there. So I picked up some mesquite barbecue chips. These are so good. For the kiddos, brown sugar hickory baked beans. These are their favorite. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. I just had some of Chris's steak, the ribeye. Ribeye is my favorite cut because of all the fat and all the juices flow. Oh, it's like butter in the mouth. It just melts. Got a little char on the edge. Oh, so good.
You can't put that bowl in there, can you?
Just take it out.
Oh. I thought you could set it up there. I'm like,
Now that our food has digested, Chris has decided to play the VR.
that's how I stand. Zombies. Dead and face. You, buddy.
Looks like he's burning calories. Does that tell you how many calories you burn?
Nah, I probably should turn my watch on.
Yeah, your Apple Watch, that would have been... He's doing a lot trying to kill these hordes.
I'm sweating.
I'm just working on some editing, and then we're probably going to end up bringing this vlog to a close. Today's just a really chill Sunday. I've just been hanging out with the family, taking it easy, having a good time. So yeah, we'll definitely do more in the next one.
So, what do you know about this Jack fella?
Isn't he the best?
Yeah, nobody beats him.